Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Green moong is a staple in my regular diet. Sprouts and salads are incomplete without them. It's a plant-based protein rich in potassium, minerals and fiber, and is a great antioxidant. आप सब ने भी इसे खाया ही होगा, लेकिन क्या आपने कभी ग्रीन मूंग हुमस खाया है? तो चलिए आज बनाते हैं ग्रीन मूंग हुमस. So we've soaked and boiled our chickpeas and green moong. Just blend it all in together. Equal quantities, a cup of each. Fresh garlic, around 4. We've got tahini, around 3 tablespoons of tahini. Some salt. A tablespoon of olive oil, just open it up and give it a nice mix. Add a little bit of water, very little, and a little more of the olive oil. Give it a whiz again. तैयार. The consistency we want. Add in the lemon juice. Add in a bit of the chili powder just to give it a kick. ये optional है अगर आप नहीं चाहते. I like the hummus to be balanced. Add a bit of olive oil. Don't be scared about olive oil. This is really a good fat. We add in our fresh pomegranate. Some black sesame seeds. Full of nutrients. Fab. This tastes so good and so much better than the regular boring hummus. Perfect for party starters or even on-the-go snacks. This green moong hummus is power-packed with all the nutrients and your daily dose of protein. Try ज़रूर कीजिएगा and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.